Mental health challenges can seem overwhelming, but there are steps that we can all take, big and small, to make a positive change. One of the first steps to making a positive change is recognizing that there may be an issue. We want to be looking for signs in ourselves and those we love of changes in sleep patterns or eating patterns, difficulties falling asleep, sudden extreme weight gain or weight loss, difficulty concentrating. In and of themselves, they may not be indications that there is a problem, but as part of a larger picture and in that context, they may be symptoms of someone who's experiencing a mental health challenge. One of the keys to supporting mental health in others is ensuring that you first put on your own oxygen mask. Eating healthy, exercising regularly, and not beating yourself up too much when you backslide or have a cheat day on the meals. I've got a pizza coming today myself, but I'll make sure that I go for a walk when I get home after work today. If a doctor walking down the street sees a person go into cardiac arrest, they don't perform heart surgery there on the curb. They perform first aid until we can transfer the casualty to the hospital with medical professionals and the equipment they need to ensure that person is safe. This is the same thing we're doing with mental health supports. We want to make sure that the people that we love get the support they need from the professionals. Our job is to recognize that there's an issue and connect them with that service that they need. The help you need is available. The Canadian Mental Health Association for Adults, Kids Help Phone for Children, and a number of other services are available for providing mental health supports to those who need it. You can find additional services at the Bell Let's Talk Get Help page. Link is in the description below, or you can reach out to the team here at MaidSafe to get more information on what services are available in your location. Now that we've identified that there may be a problem, and we know what supports are available in our area, it's time to have that tough conversation. It's time to break the silence. 1 in 5 Canadians, 6.7 million of us, will experience mental health challenges this year. Sharing your story, being vulnerable and communicating may be the first step to recovery. CSA has a voluntary standard for psychological safety in the workplace. Connected to that is the Hazard is a Hazard training delivered through SafeWork Manitoba. This training covers the 13 factors for psychological safety in the workplace and is an excellent tool for developing your own mental health safety system in your organization. For additional supports delivering this content or developing it to ensure that it fits your organization, feel free to reach out to MaidSafe. We're here to help. The Mental Health Commission of Canada administers the Mental Health First Aid program in our jurisdiction. Mental health first aid is defined as interventions for someone in a crisis phase. This process follows 5 basic steps. ALG is the acronym that we think of when we're trying to remember what those steps are. The A is assess the risk of harm. We need to ensure that the person is not considering hurting themselves and that they've not made a plan to cause themselves harm. The L is listen non-judgmentally, and this can be difficult. Taking the time to listen to Dr. Brene Brown's talk on sympathy versus empathy can go a long way towards making sure that the person that is opening up to you feels comfortable doing so and that you're allowing them space to share their struggles with you. Give reassurance and information is the G. We need to ensure that the people are aware that things are going to get better and there are supports there to help them. Encouraging professional help is key. That is the first E. The people that need our help need the help of professionals trained to support people in mental health crisis. And then encourage other supports. There are a number of opportunities in the community for mental health support, for social supports, and making sure that the people that we love are aware of what is available to them goes a long way towards giving them hope for the future. The last year has been full of unprecedented mental health challenges, and in the face of the hardships, the loss, and the uncertainty we've all experienced, it can be difficult to imagine that a socially distanced walk with a friend, 15 minutes of mindful breathing, or choosing a healthy option at lunch can make much of a difference at all. But for each of us, small steps matter. It can be difficult to imagine a snowflake becoming an avalanche. It can be difficult to imagine a raindrop becoming a wave. But small improvements add up to big change, and in 2021, every action counts.